Look at this beautiful salmon belly I bought at the supermarket. Now today, we're going to be making one of my favorite recipes. My signature delicious salmon belly with lazy sauce. Let's go. Start by making the lazy sauce. Water, Japanese soy sauce, brown sugar, mirin, honey, and sesame oil. Now this sauce is similar to a teriyaki sauce, which would have ginger, but because I'm lazy, let's skip that part. For the slurry, combine 2 teaspoons of cornstarch with a little bit of water. Now heat a pan on medium-high heat and add some oil. Once the salmon has enough color, flip and lower the heat. Because the salmon is so thin, it cooks very fast. Not gonna lie, but I overcooked it a little. Okay, we just finished pan frying the salmon and it looks absolutely amazing. Do you agree? Okay, so now we're gonna pour away the oil in the pan, but do not wash the pan, okay? That's where all the flavor is. We're gonna pour the sauce back into the pan, heat it up, put our slurry, and then we're on our way. Once our sauce is ready, add some sesame seeds. Wow, look at that! So easy and so delicious. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please. Wow! The best salmon belly you'll ever have.